Hello and welcome to this very short yoga practice when you're limited on space and limited on time. As we are limited on time, we're going to start right away in your easy seated position. That's going to look different for all of us. Maybe we have the legs out, staggered, or traditionally cross-legged. And beginning to take the palms in contact with the thighs. So we're going to take the chin in towards the chest, letting the shoulders stay over the sit bones. And we'll begin to lift the gaze, taking a twist. Left hand coming onto that right shin near thigh, right hand coming behind. We'll begin to let that right hand rise up towards the sky. Then we're going to lean over to the side, maybe gently pulling back on that right arm. Right hand coming down to the earth. We'll begin to unfurl that left arm and then taking a side stretch over towards the right. Arms beginning to rise. Taking a bit of a cactus, opening up the chest. Hands lifting, taking that twist in the opposite direction. Right hand coming along that left. Left hand rising. And releasing that left hand. Right arm beginning to lift. We'll take that side stretch. If you are short on space, maybe we take the hand or the elbow a little bit closer to the thigh. And gently pressing the earth away, taking the arms up. We'll cactus, opening up the chest. Oh, begin to let the fingertips gravitate slightly. Imagine more rugby post arms. And we'll begin to take a twist, leading with that right elbow. We'll begin to come back through our center. And then leading with the left elbow, taking the twist. Coming back through. Fingertips beginning to rise. Bending the elbows, hands to the back of the head, opening up the chest. And we'll gently begin to take the hands up towards the sky and slowly into the lap. As we arrive here, we'll begin to explore a cradling of the baby. So right hand in contact with that left foot, hand on the knee. Just taking a gentle little movement side to side, maybe beginning to circle. From here, we'll begin to take that left foot in contact with the earth, just in front of that right shin. Fingertips coming underneath the sole of the foot, thumbs on top of the foot itself. And we can stay right here, opening up the chest. Otherwise, you might begin to tap that left heel. Maybe we begin to go 90 degrees. Maybe go a little bit higher. Beginning to bring the left foot back down to the earth, opening up that left knee, will fold. Hands in front of the shins, beginning to melt. Beginning to slide or walk the hands back. We'll take that cradling the baby on the opposite side. Left hand grabbing the right foot again, side to side, circling. And the sole of the right foot coming back to the earth, fingertips underneath the sole, and we'll begin to tap. Maybe begin to lift, leading with a heel. I'll begin to release the right foot back down to the earth. So opening up that right knee. And we'll begin to come back through to that gentle forward fold, walking the hands, melting. Sliding or walking the hands back towards the body, hands coming onto the thighs. We'll begin to circle or spiral. Enjoying your pause and go in the opposite direction. Shoulders coming over the sit bones. So we can take the arms up overhead. Hands catch to come together and then through to the heart. And gently releasing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short and quick yoga flow that, again, you could take anytime and anywhere. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.